guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another interesting video, and this time I'm going to be sharing 10 things that every girl must own. So I realized that I have these few products that I use every now and then, and these are definitely products that every girl must own. So I thought of sharing it with you guys. All the product links will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also, if you guys are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Raina Jain and I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And if you guys enjoy watching my content, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the family, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. And now let's get right into the video. Now let's get started. I know I have a lot of young audience and a lot of you girls would really find this video helpful. These are just little products that we all girls use every single day. You might have some of these products, you might not have it. So if you don't have it, you guys can go ahead and purchase it. No pressure over there. All the links are in the description box below. First, I have this Nivea Roll-On Deo. This is something that I found out really late in my life, and I am just obsessed with these roll-on deos. I haven't tried any other brand. I just love the Nivea deos so much. I carry this everywhere. I use this every single day. I think 2 to 3 times a day. This is just something that will make you feel very fresh and smell good. It comes in a packaging like this. It has this roll-on over here, and you just like roll it onto your armpits, and it's just very fresh. I think I've tried 2 different variants and I love them both, and this one is really affordable. I've tried to keep everything affordable. I'm showing all like really affordable products so that they're very accessible as well. So this one I guess retails only for, it retails only for $2.25, and I think I just got this during the sale time. It's very important. You can carry this in your purse. It's super travel friendly, and it's just such a convenient packaging because of this roll-on. Also, if you're worried if it has alcohols or not, it has 0% alcohol, and also this one bottle lasts for a really long time. So yes, go ahead and buy this one. The second product is by P-Safe, and it's this toilet seat sanitizer. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this, but these toilet seat sanitizers are very popular, and I think it is so useful. I think I'm almost running out of this one. So basically, it is a sanitizer for a toilet seat if you're using a public bathroom, or if you're just using a bathroom at someone else's house. You can like always carry this in your purse. It is like very travel friendly. It is meant for travel purposes. You can just slip this in your bag, and if you're using any public bathroom, you can just spritz this on the toilet seat, and then you can pee safely. I think this is a must-have for every girl out there. I think a lot of women have a major pet peeve of using public bathrooms. At least I have. Like this is like a major pet peeve that I have. I just cannot use a public bathroom unless it's really urgent. So I think this is something which comes in very handy. Another really interesting thing that I have is this product by P-Buddy. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard this. I don't think it's very popular, but this is basically Stand and Pee by P-Buddy. So just as the name suggests, you can stand and pee with the help of this product. These are disposable funnels. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like. It comes in a pack of 10. Yeah, it comes in a pack of 10, and this is how the funnel looks like. You can literally just place it like this, and you can pee from here. It is very convenient. So I was gonna travel last year, and I went ahead and placed an order on Amazon for these P-Buddies, because when you're traveling, especially by road, you have to use public bathrooms. That this actually worked. I wasn't expecting it to work, and this like actually worked so well. If you guys are still wondering how you can use this, there's a picture over here. I can zoom in and show it to you guys. This is how you can use the product. Just give this a try if you're traveling, or if you just want this handy just in case. You can buy a pack of this 10. I'm not sure if there's a smaller pack available, but it's really inexpensive. This is a great product. You guys should definitely go ahead and try this. The next product that I have is again by P-Safe. These are 100% organic cotton biodegradable sanitary pads, and these are the overnight sanitary pads. They're like the largest size. So as I said, these are overnight pads. Basically, these are in the like largest size. They also come in 2 other sizes, which is the medium and the small one. So you guys can check it out. You can buy any size according to your flow. I think for me personally, these overnight pads are the most convenient because I've always used those like largest XL size pads even on first, second and my third day, and after that I switched to panty liners. And I think organic sanitary pads are such a must have if you're someone who uses sanitary pads. I know like there are a lot of other options like menstrual cups and all, but if you're someone who uses sanitary pads, then definitely you should switch to organic pads because firstly it's very safe for your body, it's rash free, and also they're 100% biodegradable. These are very good for the environment. They're not very expensive. I know a lot of organic sanitary pads can be very expensive. This is a pack of 10 pads and it retails for 299 rupees. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like. They also come with individual disposable bag as well. This is how the pad looks like. I'm not going to open it because obviously I use it sometimes. And yeah, you can switch to organic pads if you haven't already, especially if you get a lot of rashes. You can give these pads a try and see if these cause any rashes. I'm pretty sure that they won't, but you can just give it a try. The next product is this face razor. These are very popular. I'm pretty sure that you guys have heard about these face razors. They're very easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, and I'm sure on other websites as well. So these are very affordable. These are disposable face razors. I use them almost every single week to remove all the peach fuzz that I have over here, and also I shave my upper lips every 2-3 days I guess. And these come in really handy. I don't thread my upper lips or like my peach fuzz at all. I just get my eyebrows threaded, and this comes in really handy to shave any like extra hair that I have that I don't need on my face. So you guys should definitely give this a shot. I've recommended this to so many people and literally everyone has switched from threading to shaving. It is so convenient. You can do it whenever you want it. You don't have to wait for a parlor appointment, or you don't have to go to the parlor and get it threaded. Next, I have another product by PSafe. At this point, it might look like that I'm talking about PSafe way too much, but these are products that I genuinely use and I love products by PSafe. I think they're very good. This one is the Feminine Cramp Relief Roll-On. So this is something that you can use when you're on your period and you're cramping really bad. I mainly use this on my abdomen as well as on my calves. I have a really bad pain over there. If you have a very bad back pain, you can apply it over there also, and it just gives you a relief. This one has eucalyptus oil in it, so it smells so calming and it just relieves your pain in a couple of minutes. I think this is such a must have if you have really bad period cramps. This one is again really affordable. It retails for 199 rupees, so you can go ahead and try it. The next product, if you guys don't already know, I'm obsessed with lip and cheek tints, and I think that's such a must have. I didn't want to include a lot of makeup products in this video, makeup and skincare, because I don't think firstly makeup is a necessity. It's not something that everyone must have, but this is that one product that I feel that everyone should definitely must have, because these are something that you can use on your bare skin and also on top of makeup. So these are the Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint, and these are herb enriched tints. These have really nice herbs and oils in this product. They have no toxins, they don't have any chemicals. So these are very safe products, and they come in a pot-like packaging like this. You just use your fingers or you can dip your brush in it and you can just apply this as a cheek tint or a lip tint, and I think they're so convenient and something that I've been using non-stop every single day, even on bare skin, and I just love how natural they look. I love using rose colored on top of my makeup because that's how this shade just shows up on my skin, like on top of makeup, and this shade Soft Nude looks really good on my bare skin. On my bare skin it looks so natural and so pretty. It literally looks like you're actually blushing and you have like nice rosy lips. So I think these are products that you should definitely have. The next product is very like obvious and predictable. It's razors. I know you guys must be wondering why I haven't spoken about razors yet, but yeah, these are definitely something that every girl must have, be it a guy or a girl. So these are the Gillette Venus razors. This one, I don't remember the exact name, but this one This one is the regular razor that they have, and this one is the one which has these gel bars. So basically, if you have this one, you just don't have to use any shaving cream, and you can just directly use this on your skin and you'll get a very smooth shave with this. And this one is the regular one. You have to use a shaving cream with this one. So I use both of these. I keep repurchasing the blades and I absolutely love them. I haven't waxed my body in years now. I guess it has been 3 to 4 years. I don't even remember clearly. It has been definitely 3 to 4 years that I haven't waxed my body. I just wax my underarms and the rest of my body I just shave, and I think it's the most convenient thing. I've recommended it to so many other people and everyone has switched to shaving, and it is just so convenient. It is so easy to do and you can just do it according to your convenience. If you want to wear a dress today, you can easily just like shave your legs in 5 minutes. It takes hardly any time to shave, and waxing is just painful and time consuming and a wastage of money, I guess. So I just like to shave, and I think if you haven't tried shaving yet, you should definitely do that. These are my 2 favorite razors and something that I've been using from years now, so you guys can definitely give these a try. So I guess I've already spoken about this product. These are camisoles and I got them from Amazon years ago. I don't remember when. So if you don't know what camisoles are, I'm just gonna quickly explain it to you guys. So if you are wearing a dress or a top with a really deep neck and you're not comfortable with your cleavage showing, then you can I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So you can just place it inside your top and you can clip these to your bra. You can literally just clip these to your bra. It has these press on buttons behind and you just have to clip these to your bra straps from both the sides. And this is how it looks like from the front. It has this nice lacy detailing which doesn't look that bad with your tops. So if you have a really plunging neckline and you're not comfortable with that, then I think these come in really handy. Now if I'm being honest, I've never used this white color. I don't know, it just never it's just not really useful for me. I don't have such tops, but I think I've used the nude one and the black one the most, and these are very, very handy because it just avoids you from wearing that one extra layer of slip or a tube or anything. Now I am a heavy chested girl and I cannot wear those tubes underneath my tops because that doesn't give me enough support. So instead of wearing tubes, I think I can just clip this onto my bra and it works exactly the same, and it also looks nice because it has this lacy detailing. So if you are concerned about that, then you can definitely go ahead and purchase these. I think these were just 100 rupees each and it came in a pack of 3, so I guess I just bought it for around 300 rupees. So I'm just gonna leave a link of these in the description box below. You guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. The last product that I have is a sports bra. Now I'm not sure if everyone owns a sports bra or not, but this is the one that I have. It's from Decathlon. If you're not aware about that store is just amazing. It is super affordable. They have amazing workout clothes. I buy maximum, like literally most of my workout clothes are from Decathlon. They're very inexpensive. It's a massive store. They always have offers running and they have the best quality sportswear. So you guys can check that store out there. It's also available online. I guess I'm gonna search it for you guys and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. So I think I got this 2 years ago. It's just a basic black sports bra and it comes in so handy. I've recently started working out at home and I've been wearing this every other day and I'm absolutely loving it. Mine is in the size large, so you guys can check the brand out. I think that one perfect sports bra is just so important for every girl out there. I think sports bras are super comfortable, very breathable, and they don't hurt your chest like a regular bra. I think regular bras are very uncomfortable. I've started hating bras even more now during the lockdown period because obviously we're not wearing them anymore. I think sports bra is something you can like genuinely wear in your everyday life, and that one sports bra which fits you perfectly like a glove is super important. So if you don't have any sports bra, then definitely go ahead and buy that one basic black sports bra. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you found my video helpful, and if you guys did, then please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me if you found this video helpful. Tell me what you own and what you don't own from this video. And yeah, and yes, if you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.